Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology, and in this video I'm going to show you guys the two methods by which you can download and install Windows 10 October update. So you just need to follow me. The first method is you have to go to the google.com and type over there Windows 10 download. After that you have to click on that first link which is showing over there, and after that you have to click on update now. Now one tool will be download automatically on your computer. So as you can see near about 5 MB. So after that click on open, and now it will scan your computer. So if there was any update available, then it will download and install automatically. So it's checking for updates. The second method is you have to go to your start menu and then click on settings. Now you have to click on update option, and after that you have to click on this check update option over there. So I have already clicked over there, so it will showing downloading 80% near about. So you have to wait.